Lifehacks channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this at least once a week. So this video is going to be life hacks and a couple apps that are really cool that I'm going to show you, and just kind of like show you my life hacks that I do, and I'm going to feature some products that I got that I'm super excited to share with you guys. So yeah, let's get right into this video. I'm going to start off with two essential hair products that I think would be a staple for you. And I don't care who you are, what type of hair, whatever, I highly recommend getting a wet brush. It's going to cut your brush time in half, and also dry shampoo. So whether you have long hair, short hair, curly hair, whatever, two of my essentials, two really great life hacks, because one, if you use a dry shampoo, you don't necessarily have to wash your hair every day, so it's definitely saving time. And this will literally make your hair it'll just brush right through your hair when it's wet, when it's dry, whatever. Highly recommend, highly recommend. This one is new that I've started to use. This is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. So far, I've liked it. That's why I got a mini one, because I'm kind of like trying out all different types of dry shampoo. So two of my favorite hair life hacks right here. And then I'm going to show you, also, because I did feature a couple of these apps in my previous videos, but since this is going toward a life hack product as well, I'm going to tell you what I did for this product. So, another life hack is to get a really good hair dryer. This is the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion Dry Plus, and I bought this at Ulta for guess how much? $16 of my real money. If you follow me on Instagram, which is Rochelle_XOX, you will see that I put this on my story. So the reason that I only paid $16.75 for this is because for one, it was on sale from like 100 and something to 99, which is awesome. Then, if you don't have the Ulta points, I think that you should sign up for that, because me, personally, I had $58 worth of points through Ulta that I could put toward this. So if you don't have an Ulta account, I highly recommend it, because then you can get money toward big ticket items. So they had the points, then they had a coupon, which obviously I love coupons. It wasn't too much off, but I mean, it's something. Then I have a gift card through Shopkick. So, see, gorgeous hair event. So I use the app Shopkick, and literally you get kicks, which you earn toward gift cards. So right now I have 3,098 kicks toward a Sephora gift card for 6,250 kicks. So I don't know if you can see that or not. But all you have to do is download the app. I'll show you. You download the app, all you have to do is walk into stores, so like Marshall's. You get 50 kicks for walking in. I still don't know if you can see it or not, but you get 50 kicks for walking in, and then if you purchase a product, you also get kicks depending on where you are. You can also, like in, let's say Aldi, you can scan items and get kicks, and you can also purchase items and put your receipt in there and also get kicks. So I received at least 4 $25 gift cards through Shopkick, and I used it toward this. So then I was only using $16 of my real money. So this hair dryer is fantastic. It cuts my dry time in half. So I'd highly recommend a hair dryer, like not necessarily a higher end one, but just like make sure you replace yours. And I also recommend the Shopkick app that I'm going to link my referral code down below so you can sign up too, because it's fantastic. So yeah, I mean, I love really good deals, so I mean, that's the way to get it. So then I'm going to show you another life hack that I like. And recently I was seeing these all over Instagram and YouTube and Twitter, and it is the skincare roller, and I was like, oh, I need one because I just do. So I reached out to, which you should definitely follow them on Instagram, the Witty Company, because they're fantastic. They're super nice, super sweet, and I received my jade roller along with, this is you just kind of like rub it against your skin. I forgot what it was called exactly, but they're both fantastic. So you can run the little part underneath your eyes and kind of reduce puffiness. This kind of rolls throughout your whole face. It helps your skincare products work better. It's honestly really, really soothing and relaxing, so I love it. I love it so much. I just really do. I would highly recommend it. Definitely check them out on Instagram. I will link their Instagram down below. They also have a rose one too. It's super pretty. But there's pro tips, like you can put both of these in the freezer and it'll help depuff. I mean, they're naturally cooling, but it'll be even more cold. And then they also have all of the directions. They have all the benefits, which is fantastic. Absolutely, absolutely love it. So I would highly recommend getting one of these beauties for your face. And it'll help all your skincare work better, so why not? Then I'm going to show you another app that I think is awesome, and it's Ibotta. I don't know if you guys have heard of that yet, but literally it's another free app like Shopkick that you get free gift cards. So literally Ibotta looks like this, if you can see it. And you literally go to the store, so Walmart, Tops, Rite Aid, Price Chopper, Target, and you click on it, and it shows you all the products that you can get cash back on. And if you're already buying the product, why not? Like, I mean, don't go out of your way to like buy products that you don't need to get the cash back, but if you're already buying the product, definitely upload your receipt, get some cash back right now. I'm at $28.60. So I could cash out right now if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. And also I'm going to show you Ebates. Ebates is my favorite, one of my favorites, because I love them all. So Ebates, if you download the app, you can link your debit card or your credit card, and you can also get kicks in store. So Ebates started off as if you went through their app and you clicked on, like, let's say JCPenney, you hit shop, and then it takes you to their website. You get 6% cash back just by shopping through them. Free and awesome. So I have Survey Mini, which is great. There's surveys, which you also earn toward gift cards. I have a survey. They're literally really quick and easy, and you earn points. There's also surveys on the go, which you earn cash back for taking surveys, and I'm at like $10 already. No, I'm at $12.55 so far, and you can just link it to your Amazon account. You can link it to your PayPal. You can get a Starbucks gift card, whatever works for you. So honestly, these are really great ways to get basically free money like, and gift cards, so why not? This video was kind of felt like a little bit all over the place, but whatever. Let me know what life hacks or apps that you guys use for like saving money, different kinds of apps for gift cards, and what kind of life hacks that you use in life in general. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Bye guys!